Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Win's Life here. For today's video, I am going to make crispy pata. I am boiling the pork leg already, and what I'm going to do is put a little bit of vinegar. Then I'm going to put a little bit of salt, just a little bit guys, because before I fry this or actually after I boil it, I'm going to pat it dry and then put salt, rock salt outside. Rub some rock salt before I will deep fry it. This is crispy pata I'm going to make, and then I'm going to put bay leaves, lots of bay leaves, and then ground pepper, lots of ground pepper, and then onion powder, lots of onion powder, black peppercorn, and garlic powder. And I am going to boil this for about an hour, 15 minutes. It depends how long before it gets really tender. But right now, I set my timer for about an hour and 10 minutes. Because I am craving for crispy pata. And here's our pork leg, guys. It's all tender already. And what I'm going to do is pat it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt, rock salt. Then we'll just wait for the oil to be ready and we're going to deep fry it, which is I'm a little scared. So hopefully it will be okay. And while I'm waiting for the oil to be ready, guys, this is the broth that I boiled the pork leg from. I'm going to use it for our sauce, and I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of vinegar. Remember, I already put a little bit of vinegar before. And then I'm just gonna make a slurry and add it to that to make it thicker. Our slurry is water and cornstarch. Let it boil. Okay guys, we are ready to put our pork, and I'm going to cover it because I'm scared. So hopefully I can try to open this without... Ay! Yay! It's so scary! But I need to flip it on the other side, but I'm so scared to open the pot. So we'll wait until it's sounded peaceful inside. Maybe I will use this as a shield. Scary guys, and our crispy pata is done. Oh my goodness guys, after all the scary moments, it's because I'm desperate to eat crispy pata. Even though it's so scary, we have to try it. So I just made some sauce, just vinegar, pepper, and lots of crushed garlic. The broth that we boil the pork from, and I just added vinegar, sugar, and our slurry. But look how beautiful, guys. Look at that. You hear that? It's super crunchy. Hopefully it's tender inside. And we're gonna try to check how crunchy the skin. Try the vinegar. You hear that, guys? You hear that sound? That sounds so nice to my ear. Let's try the meat. Let's try this one. If the meat is soft enough. Crunchy outside, soft inside. The sauce is so good. It looks so yummy. You hear that crunch? You see the skin? I'm so glad, guys, that my cholesterol is okay. Hopefully it will remain like that. Let's try one more. It's so perfect. So guys, I'm going to enjoy my crispy pata. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys again on our next video. Bye for now. Ain't she beautiful?